Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Super excited to walk you guys through a brand new trade that we just took in. It's a 2022 Regal 36 Grande Coupe. This boat is super clean, really excited to show you guys. So starting off here, we're on the expansive swim platform, probably one of the largest swim platforms that I've seen on a boat of this size. So huge entertaining space back here. You will also have a electric flip out swim step, so it makes getting on and off the boat really simple, whether you have young kids with you or you have your furry friends out there on the water with you. Just makes getting on and off the boat really simple. Another addition to our swim platform back here is you will have aft face seating. Another thing on this boat that's really important is you will have an upgraded JL audio system. So the previous owner invested a significant amount of money into upgrading the audio system on this boat, so it sounds pretty dang good. Moving into the cockpit of the boat, you can tell you will have some expansive seating back here. This backrest will flip forward and back, whether you're wanting to sit forward or aft. And if you wanted to even enhance the seating capacity here in your cockpit, you will have the option to extend this out. So this will actually extend a few feet sitting over the swim platform. As if there wasn't enough seating as there is, gives you a little bit more space in the cockpit. More swing back seating here on your port side. Amazing galley here on this Regal 36 Grande Coupe. You are going to have a cockpit grill. You will have storage underneath here for your table that you'll see here in the cockpit. You will have a Kenyan cooktop, garbage can, as well as your sink. And then a really nice flat inch flip down flat screen TV. So this will actually flip down from your hard top, whether you're out there on the lake watching the Georgia game or whatever you guys are watching. Really great addition to the cockpit of this boat. Another really huge feature of this boat, you will have two absolutely massive refrigerators under this galley. Here to our port side, you will see just an expansive seating area with your cockpit table. And then moving forward into our helm station here, you'll see we have a massive single Garmin multifunction display. So this is going to give you everything from your chart plotter to your sonar, your depth finder, as well as all of your engine data. Speaking of engine, this boat has twin Volvo 350s with JPO, so that the joystick just makes getting around the dock and in busy areas just makes it handling the boat that much easier. Another really cool feature about this boat is it does have the FLIR thermal camera. So if you're running at night, it does have a, for lack of a better word, a night vision. So it'll just give you a really nice, clean view if you're driving at night and it's a little bit too dark. Another cool feature: this boat does have a bow thruster. Now we'll move into the bow of the boat, and as you'll see as we go throughout this entire boat, you will see some of the upgraded audio system throughout the entire boat. Really nice and spacious bow seating up here. You will have stainless steel grab handles, as well as plenty of cup holders for your cold drinks, and again, more of your upgraded sound system. Under here, you're going to see your access to your windlass. And then we'll make our way back into the cockpit and we will check out the cabin. All right, now moving into the cabin of this Regal 36 Grande Coupe. One of the things you're going to notice is a very spacious V-berth. You have access to the bed on both your port and starboard side, so you're not jumping over your companion to be able to get into bed. So really nice feature there. And here you will have a closet along with a flat screen Samsung television. Probably one of my favorite features of the Regal 36 Grande Coupe is going to be your head compartment. So this is actually a dry head, really, really nice. You will have a door leading to your shower, so you don't have to worry about getting wet feet if you're in here just to use the restroom. The shower is completely separate from the head. Moving into our aft cabin here, you will see two separate couch areas along with a Samsung television. And this cabin area will actually convert into a full bed. So if you have additional sleepers with you out on the water that day, you can convert this into an entire bed and give you that extra sleeping capacity. Now there's a ton more to check out on this boat. Love to be able to show it to you in person. If you'd like to come check it out, if you'd like some more information, call us at MarineMax.com or visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina.